Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting both phones ready. Enable Quick Share on your Redmi and Nearby Share on the Samsung. Make sure both phones are on the same Wi-Fi network or have Bluetooth active. Keep screens unlocked. Once done, open the Gallery or Files app on the Redmi, select the items you want, and tap Share. Choose Quick Share from the share sheet and wait for the Samsung to appear in the receiver list. You'll see its device name. Tap it to initiate discovery. You now pick the files. Select images, videos, or folders on the Redmi, then tap Share and pick Quick Share. The Redmi broadcasts a discoverable session. When the Samsung appears, tap its name. On the Samsung, you must accept the incoming transfer. This confirms both devices are paired for this session. Once accepted, files stream directly. Progress appears on both screens. Make sure to keep apps in foreground and screens awake, because background sleep can pause or drop transfers. You finish by verifying files on the Samsung, open Gallery or Files, and confirm the save location. If a transfer stalls, immediately toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then re-enable Quick Share on the Redmi and Nearby Share on the Samsung. Once done, retry the share. Restarting the apps or rebooting both phones resolves most persistent issues. Also check free storage on the Samsung. Transfers fail if space is low. If problems persist, move to smaller batches to isolate problematic.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.